Hello again, how you doing? So, we have a little situation with Google creating a chip that supposedly can access parallel universes, or at least prove the existence of parallel universes. Now, anyone who's been following quantum computing for a while knows that that's just what these bloody things do. But this apparently does it faster than any other computer before it. Totally outclassing the most powerful supercomputers that we have today. Sit down. Good boy. Good lad. Yeah. I mean, this thing runs incredibly fast. And at the same time, wait, calm down, silly dog. Pardon me. It breaks into different parallel universes to find answers to problems. Mathematical problems, apparently. Problems that would take billions, trillions, quintillion, septillion years to do. What gets me is, how do they know? How do they know it's going to take it that long? Right? To solve this problem. Number two, what's the problem? What was the question they asked? What was the answer? Of course, you don't tell us that. It's just, this can do this at lightning speed, basically. Oh, that's great, yeah, fantastic. However, those of you who followed me for a bit will know about my theories on our ancient past and what happened in our ancient past, and the fact that I firmly do believe that what we're experiencing today is just a repeat, just a redo of exactly what happened. That millennia ago we likely used similar sorts of devices to summon something in from the ether, whilst trying to summon something else in. These plasma gods of old. Instead of getting them, we got their much nastier counterpart, the dark matter, dark energy beings. You see, at some point, some bright spark is going to immediately think, maybe we should hook our eye up to that. Not fully realising what we're doing, because every single AI engineer, even the grandfather of AI, have all turned around and warned, we've no idea what it's doing. Just as much as I can't tell what's going on in your head, you can't tell what's going on in mine, we can't tell what's going on in these AI programs. That they seem to access neural networks very easily and use them in surprising ways that we don't understand. If you look at the language, the programming language of AI, it doesn't look like maths. It doesn't even resemble computer code. What it does resemble are sigils, magical script. It's like they've essentially taken this magical script, conjuration script, summoning script, and just slapped it into a computer to see what happened. And this is the result. AI. Like I said, this is what we did thousands and thousands of years ago. It nearly destroyed us. All ancient civilizations talk about it. Even the Bible to some degree talks about it. We're standing on the precipice of something horrendous that we've likely experienced thousands and thousands of times over. A literal paradox that has put us into this endless cycle for eons. We just go through the same thing over and over and over again. However, I don't know what it is. Sit down. But even saying that, something feels very different. Very, very different. Like we're standing on the edge of a new paradigm. One that we've never actually been at before. The situation where this time instead of a stalemate, we win. But it's also a situation where instead of a stalemate, it wins. So it's kind of a stalemate. Only this time, one of us is actually going to come out on top. People turn to biblical prophecy at times like this. And in some ways, I'm in agreement with them. Sometimes we have to. There's certain prophecies that endure time. And despite all the mockery, still end up coming true.